Hi friends, welcome to my channel Mixtubes. Today we are going to speak about top 5 most dangerous dogs in the world. Top 1. Pit Bull. Pit Bull. American Pit Bulls are perhaps the most risky canine and have been prohibited by numerous nations on the planet. This medium-sized, clever, short-haired canine is one of the most perilous types of canines on the planet. The fundamental attributes of the American Pit Bull Terrier are strength, satiety, and get up and go. Top 2. Rottweiler. Rottweilers are viewed as unsatisfactory family canines, particularly for families who have beginner proprietors. They have one of the most exceedingly awful attitudes and should be constantly prepared and mindful of. To stay away from circumstances, Rottweilers over the 13-year time frame caused 10%, about 45 of assaults, bringing about death as per information by dogsbite.org. Top 3. German Shepherd. In the US, German Shepherd is the second most famous canine variety, otherwise called Alsatian. They are a significant piece of police crew across the world. Studies have shown that German Shepherds are the third most smart canines. That is the reason these are utilized in the police office. Top 4. Bulldog. Bulldogs are an even athletic canine that shows incredible strength, perseverance, spryness, and an amicable demeanor. They caused 15 fatalities between time of 2005 to 2017 as per information by dogspite.org. Top 5. Bull Mastiff. Bull Mastiffs are shrewd, athletic, lively canines. Bull Mastiffs are by and large utilized as a gatekeeper canines in view of the volatile conduct. These canines can become dependable and respectful with the reliable preparation. Since the beginning, Bull Mastiffs caused 14 fatalities between a time of 2005 to 2017, as per information by dogspite.org.